I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a new project and matching the sequence to your footage so audio syncs reliably. Next, import your music and video assets. Make sure sample rates are consistent because mismatches cause clicks. Drag the music onto an audio track below your video, enable track targeting, and unmute that track so you can hear changes immediately. Once done, set the timeline playhead where the song should begin, and trim the audio clip roughly to match the edit's timing. Now you refine the music so it supports the picture without overpowering dialogue. Trim or slip the clip to land on musical phrases. Use clip gain to set an initial level, then add volume keyframes to create fades and avoid abrupt changes. For mixed projects, open the Essential Sound panel, tag tracks as music or dialogue, and apply auto-ducking to reduce music when speech appears. Make small adjustments, ducking amount and sensitivity, because subtle changes keep the mix natural and clear. Finish by balancing and polishing in the audio track mixer. Apply EQ to remove muddiness, light compression to tame dynamics, and adjust stereo width for placement. Render the timeline into out so playback is real-time, then export with appropriate audio bitrate and sample rate. Match your sequence settings to avoid resampling issues. Once exported, test the file on multiple devices. If you don't hear sound, check track mutes, output routing, hardware device selection, and sample rate mismatches before re-exporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.